Hi, this is Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology.net full stack developer for the Volvo Group company. The location is Bangalore. The key responsibilities are bachelor's degree or master's degree, BE, BTech or MCA candidate is required with the 8 years of experience in .NET web application. The second technology is ASAP.NET Core Developer for the company Capgemini. They are looking for 6 to 9 years of experience candidate and the location is Bangalore. And having skills of Linux and skills of DevOps, Azure, Jet is an plus and complete backend and expertise to be able to do propose a solution to the business and backend. And the third technology is full stack .NET developer for the Volvo group. The location is Bangalore. They are required of bachelor's degree or master's degree candidate with the 5 to 8 years of experience, having a good knowledge about Azure DevOps is required. And the fourth technology is Azure bot developer for the Capgemini company. They are looking for 4 to 6 years of experience candidate and the location is Bangalore. The experience there is 3 to 5 years of experience in .NET and C Spark and Microsoft Bot Framework and secondary communication skills and Azure Pass. And the fifth technology is software engineer for the company Honeywell. Locations Bangalore. The education required is bachelor's degree, university degree, or equivalent experiences. And understanding of various software development lifestyle demonstrate the ability to develop efficient and high quality software is required. And the link will be given in the video description so you can apply from there. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.